Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I was kind of inspired by lemon and limes because I drink lemon and lime water every day. And I was also inspired by my friend here on YouTube. Her name is Nikki. She did a Sprite inspired tutorial on her channel. I'll leave a link for her video down below if you want to check it out. I just was really inspired by the yellows and greens, and this is probably one of my favorite videos that I have filmed on my channel yet. I just absolutely love how this look came out. I also filmed this video a little differently and edited it a little differently. So if you like how I put it together and filmed this, please let me know in the comments down below. I also am wearing falsies today for like the first time in forever. And I got these Velour falsies in Would I Lie from Influenster, and I really like them. They were really easy to apply and they fit my eyes perfectly and they're really comfortable. So I'm gonna stop rambling now, and if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. My brows are done and I'm gonna go in with my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk just to prime my eyes to make sure that the colors that I'm going to use really stand out. So next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Little Black Beauty Book and use the first lightest green shade where that X was and just pop that in the crease. And then I'm mixing that light green and a darker green together to just deepen the crease up a little bit. Then I'm going in with the darkest green shade to really sketch out my crease. And then I'm just going to blend that all out so it looks nice and not so harsh. Next up, I'm going back in with that light green shade again just to really blend everything together because it kind of got lost. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Concealer Kit just to carve out my eye so I can get that half-cut crease effect. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below in the description box, so check that out if you missed anything or if I said any names wrong. Next, I'm going in with the yellow in the e.l.f. Little Black Beauty Book, and I'm just patting that on my eyelid. Then I'm going back in with that dark green to really just sketch out that crease. And then I'm just going to blend it out one more time. Next, I'm going back in with that yellow because it was really patchy, so I'm just fixing that. Then I'm going in with all the green shades and putting them on the outer V and blending that all together. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Glitter Glue and the Gatsby's Party Glitter from JCat, and I'm popping that in my inner corner. I absolutely loved how this looked. Next, I'm going in with all three green shades and just running that along the lower lash line. And I finished my face off camera, applied lashes, wing liner, all that stuff. And next, I'm going in with this Makeup Revolution lipstick. It's like this really pretty peachy nude color. It doesn't have a name. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really hope that you liked how I filmed it and put it all together. And if you missed any products, everything will be listed in the description box down below, so check that out for any info. If you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!